Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learn Zone. Words that start with letter C. C for cow. C for cup. C for cake. C for chocolate. C for chocolate cake. C for chocolate ice cream. C for cookies. C for coconut. C for cat. C for camel. C for carrot. C for cabbage. C for cauliflower. C for cotton. C for cotton candy. C for candy. C for cupcake. C for car. C for coffee. C for cube. C for chilli. C for cupboard. C for circle. C for cloud. C for color. C for cactus. C for camera. C for candle. C for carpet. C for caterpillar. C for children. C for clock. C for cloth. C for comb. C for computer. C for corn. C for cucumber. C for crown. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.